Hello, my name is Josh McGuire. I'm at the Logan Square branch with the Chicago Public Library, and today I'm going to give a short tutorial on how to use the GotResumeBuilder resource. To access it from the CPL website, you're just going to go to our home page here, scroll all the way to the bottom, and under Resources for, you're going to hit Jobs and Small Businesses. You're going to scroll down to the resume section and you're going to hit this GotResumeBuilder icon here. You're going to go to Resume Builder here, and I'm already signed in. If you were a new user, you would have to create an account here. And having an email address as well as access to that email address is required to use this service. As you can see, I've kind of just put in some generic information here to give an idea of, what a resume might look like. But if it was blank, you would hit these tabs just as they are here. You would edit, and you can just put information in, get money, and it will go directly into the resume once you input it like that. I'll show you here under skills. I already put this in, but for example, if you were looking to describe, your abilities in sales or helping a patron, kind of word that, you could search sales here, and it'll give you a number of automated examples of what those could be. And you can just copy and paste them directly in here, and they'll be detailed explanations right there for the patron in the resume without too much work. So that's nice. This is just kind of a generic resume, but if you want to look at sample resumes, which is another feature of this resource, you can click here, and there will be specific sample resumes. Like this is for a qualified librarian. There's a resume for that. And you can go and you can look at this to guide you helping you make the resume, or you can actually copy and paste some of this information if it's relevant into your own resume. You can also search under sample resumes by subjects. If a patron is coming and interested in a particular job, you can see if that's one of the options here. You can get another sample for a different job. This one is a teller. And you can kind of just look at those as sources to guide you. Alright, if we go back to our home page, we're here, we have the resume. If we go to our format button here, we'll see how it all kind of comes out together, and how it's all formatted. And you can still continue to play it here with the font or the margins or whatever you need. But once you're done, everything should be about ready right here for the resume to be completed. To download it, you can just select whatever type of file you would like to download it as. If you go ahead and hit PDF, you can send it by an email. If someone wants to send it to a particular person or themselves, they can do that right here. They can obviously do both of these things too. But if you hit the download file button right here, it'll go down there, and you can open it that way, and then you'll just have the completed resume right there without too much hassle. This is something we deal with a lot with our patrons, helping them search for jobs and edit their resumes. It can be hard for someone who doesn't have English as a first language, or maybe doesn't have writing skills or good computer skills to complete their resume. So we want to encourage our staff to refer patrons to this resource, and also be able to, when doing computer help patrons use this resource to easily create resumes. So you've got kind of an example here. It's pretty easy to go ahead and create a resume. I want to encourage everyone to play with this, play with the different options, search the tools and everything to be familiar so that you can help patrons get the most out of this resource. If anyone has any questions, my contact info is provided on the handout that you all have. Thank you very much, and everyone have a wonderful day.